one lower. Looks like a stuffed up flying herd. Looks like she's about to make an egg or something. Definitely egg. She was in the other loft when I had them all open. So she's been playing around. The other ones are doing alright. So it's gonna stuff up them though. They're gonna not go as high, which is fine. They are starting to fly pretty good now though. They're in a nice little group. I'll be letting out all the young ones today. They're doing amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna let out all the young ones. Probably about 40 young ones. 10 plus up there. Still up there. The sun's in my way, but let's see if we can catch it a bit there. Catch him. So the birds are down and they still want to fly up, which is great. Which is great. Haven't fed them yet. And the red's coming up. It's coming up alright. even got Buzz. My brother. Got Blue. And he's gonna have a bit of a white and cheese.